Welcome to day 3 of the Cobra build, and today we are going to be completing the front end, making the mouth sort of front grille section there. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the lights in yet. We will see how it goes, and then the rest of the front, and then maybe we'll make a start on the rest, hopefully. Anyway, let's see how that goes, and time goes, and we'll do. So I think I'm going to start by making the other half of that, I think, and then take it from there. Okay, so we're just going to use another flat piece. It's a piece I bodged. Sorry, this is a piece I messed up when I made the truck build. So let's see, we need quite a piece there. So I think that's going to be about a centimetre deep, probably the same depth as this piece here, I would think. So let's just cut that out first. Around about that. Give myself a bit of room as always. Let's get that cut out. Okay. Let's give that a bend. Pretty thin, so we can just bend that with my fingers. Okay. Okay, that's looking all right. Come on. Cut it off there. There. Okay, let's cut that off. Sure he's in the same place the other side. Okay. So we've got a little gap there, but I think if now I've got that in, I can tap that down. Do that. Oh, there he is. He's all tapped down now, so the fit. Now I've got to do the bottom piece. That one's better. Yeah, that's much better. So let's cut him. First one's never right. Okay, there we go. It's good. Good to go. Okay. There he is. Now just tap that down to meet, hopefully anyway. That's looking alright. Now just to weld that on there properly. Go. I'm just going to cut that bit out first. Okay, that looks more in the middle, just about anyway. Let's cut that out. Now we can tack that in at the front end, trying to make it right. Okay, that's good. Put them in there properly. the top of that. It's a bit too far, sorry. There we go. It's almost like it was meant to be that. Look at that. Throw that in. Okay. Send to the side. Oh, haven't got that out yet. You can see that's looking much more like it now. Now we need to get this little air take there. See that there? I'm going to worry about this for now. If I can make that by just squeezing this up a bit. Cut a piece off and see. Yes, that did hurt a little bit. Come down that way a bit. So I'm going to call that it for today, as I've just realised that the bottom of the nose there is incorrect and it needs a little bit more curvature, so to speak, coming up from underneath. So I'm going to do that on another day, so please do join me for that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. Cheers.